In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to organize your Google Drive by creating folders, moving files, starring files, deleting files, etc. So students and teachers can more easily find files by organizing files they have on their drive. So here's how Google Drive is laid out. The most recent files you have accessed are under the Quick Access tab. Under the folders are folders that you have created, which I will show you how to create in a second. And then files are all the files that you've ever interacted with in G Suite, such as Google Slide, Excel sheets, forms, maps, drawings, etc. So it looks a little bit chaotic because there's so many files that are in your drive. So let's say I want to make a new folder so I can organize some of these files and find them easily within that folder. All we do is go up to New, Folder, and then write the name of that folder. And so now any lesson plans that I have, I will put into my lesson plans folder. How I do this, I go down to the file I want, press Control or Command depending on the computer type. This is a Mac, so I press Control. Right click and then press Move To and choose the folder. And then press Move Here when you open the folder. Now I can do this with all the lesson plans, so I'm going to move that. Go to lesson plans again. Scroll down, press to move here. And then also when you're creating folders, you can just select the file, press Move To, and then make a folder. So this folder I'm going to call Google Forms. I'm going to put all my Google Forms in here. So I go to the Google Forms, right click, press Move To, Google Forms, move here. So now when I open up these folders, such as Google Forms, the Google form I put in there will be there. Now I can go back to my drive by pressing My Drive, look at other folders such as the lesson plans that I moved into the lesson plan folder, and I can easily find the files there. So if you remember to check your Google Drive every once in a while and organize it by moving things to folders and creating new folders based on what your files that you have in here, then you can actually have a pretty organized Google Drive. There's also the starring function. So if you go to start, I don't have any file starred yet, but if I want to star a file, all I do is press on the file and then go add to starred. And now if I go to starred, the file will be in starred. So if you have important files that you want to easily access and not have to worry about, all you do is press on the file, add to starred. And now all your files that are important will be easily accessed just by pressing star over here. So that is how we organize Google Drives.